Hey guys, well today we are going to, or I am going to, fix the latch. Someone tried to open it and broke the, I don't know if you can see that, broke the stub on the end, so I'm going to replace it. So it looks like 3 bolts and just lining it up properly. Nothing could be that easy, could it? What size could it be? 10 mil, of course. Hopefully, I can just line it right up with the old marks and put it right back on. I wonder if I could crazy glue it and put the baking soda powder on it. That would stiffen it up. Experiment for next time. A little bit of an adjustment and we should be good. And that's how you fix that. Hope you learned something from that. I did. Okay. And then for me, no job is ever really complete until I clean my tools. So, tools are very important, to me at least. And I carry some of my tools with me in case I break down. So for me, it's very important that they stay clean. That way, if I'm ever, you know, in a suit or not ready to get down and dirty, I can at least pull the tools for a light job and not get dirty. The ladies don't seem to like it when you're dirty. I mean, when you're dirty, but not when you're dirty. You know. Extra rag. Wipe my hands in the event that I need it. Come with me. Okay. And then into the trunk. And that's it. Dunzo. Thanks for watching.